1. Cleaning the boti, very important. Wash boti 3-4 times with water. Add salt plus turmeric and rub well. Some people add 1 tablespoon lemon or a little rice flour and scrub. Rinse till the smell reduces. Cut into small pieces. 2. Cooking the boti. In a pressure cooker, add washed boti plus little salt plus 1/2 tsp turmeric plus 1/2 cup water. Pressure cook for 3-4 whistles. Release pressure and keep cooked boti aside with the stock. Making the Telangana style recipe step by step. Heat oil in a pan. Lower flame and add all dry spices. Add curry leaves plus green chilies. Add chopped onions and fry till golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and fry till raw smell goes, oil separates. Salt, coriander powder, turmeric, add the cooked boti along with its stock. Red chili powder. Sprinkle some water every 5 minutes. Mix well and fry the masala for 1-2 minutes. Cover and cook on medium heat for 15-20 minutes until oil separates and flavor blends. Finish with garam masala plus chopped coriander.